Okay, since we already learned how to add and delete things in this Blender environment, okay, so we are going to learn how to change a little bit things, okay. So let's just select this and delete that and add a new thing into the scene. Okay, we're going to use the Shift and A to add a mesh. Say I'm going to add a let's say a UV sphere. Okay, so wow, the UV sphere. Let's just move that little closer. Okay, I'm using the mouse, the wheel here. Okay, just scroll it and you can get a better view at the UV sphere. As you can see, there is a lot of faces on the UV sphere, and if you didn't do anything after you add this object into the scene, you will see add UV sphere operation panel here. Okay, so this is kind of a one-time operation panel that when you add something into the thing, you get a one-time chance to just quick adjust the thing that you add to the scene. Okay, if you do anything rather than just click the add UV sphere here, this kind of operation panel will disappear, and you're going to modify this kind of UV sphere in another way. So let's just click the add UV sphere. Okay, so and I think we are going to move that a little bit. Move that using the screen cast key, and let's just alignment to the right. Okay, so give you more space. And I want to change the background, just hide all that background so it won't just obstruct our view. Okay, so it won't blind us. And let's change UV sphere. As you know that UV sphere is just a sphere, but do have a lot of faces, and you can change the segment and the rings of this UV sphere. Let me just try that. If we just click that, as you can see that we click the left of our mouse and change that to the last segment, you will see the faces that UV sphere become less, and you can also change the rings. Okay, so it will get a very low poly object. Because we will discuss about polygon in later videos. But the key point of polygon is to just keep it as low as possible. So if you make a very small game and some objects will have a very big amount of polygon, and this game will crash. Okay, so for this efficiency reasons, we usually make this polygon as small as possible, the faces as small as possible. The number of that, the less of the faces, the better. And we're going to use another different technique to make that smooth. Okay, so we can also change the radius. Okay, make that small and make that big. And there is a little trick here. If you want to do some fine tuning, you can just press Shift, and you will really slow all this operation down rather than just change too quickly. Okay, I think this is pretty much all that we are going to learn at this one-time operation panel. Okay, once you have done with that, you can just click anything else and this panel disappeared. Okay, and you can press N to hide this panel at the right, so you get a better view. Okay, and once you press N, it's coming out. And let's just change that to the original place and alignment to the I think left is okay. Okay. Okay, and that's pretty much all about this lecture. We have learned how to add and delete things, how to do the one-time change, how to use the operation panel to change the UV sphere. And I will see you at the next lecture. Okay, I will see you at the next video. Bye bye.